all. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning friend. It's Karen here of Karen's Style of Life. And today, guys, I'm going to be making a fresh watermelon, blueberry, and sweet mint salad. And I'm super excited because it's my first time making the salad, but I am looking forward to getting it started. I've just cut off a few sprigs of that sweet mint that I'm going to use in the salad. But before I go inside and begin to prepare the salad, I want to give you a quick look of how the garden is looking, my patio garden. Right here, I've got my peppers, and they are doing pretty good, coming in nicely. There's that sweet mint that I cut off to use in the salad, and that's doing very well. And I put all of my veggies and herbs in pots, you guys. So that's what you see here on my patio garden. Here's my tomato plant, and it's doing pretty good as well. Right next to my tomato plant is my spearmint, and that's doing very good. It's thriving nicely. Got a lot of spearmint going on there, doing pretty good. And right next to the spearmint is my lavender plant, and that's doing good too. And then there is my basil. That basil looks so good. And then there's my rosemary plant. So that's all I've got growing in the garden here in the pots on the patio. So now let's go inside, take that sweet mint, get it washed off, and we're going to get started with that watermelon, blueberry, and sweet mint salad. I'm going to give these leaves a good rinse, get them rinsed off and pat them dry, and then I'll run across the screen all of the ingredients you're going to need for the salad. Next, I'm going to wash off the blueberries. Here's my watermelon chunks. I'm going to cut them down to bite-sized pieces. To this little mason jar, I'm going to add the olive oil, honey, fresh lime juice, and the salt. And I'm going to get that combined, and that's going to act as the dressing for our salad. I'm not measuring the ingredients. The only ingredient that I'm measuring is the salt. I think I'm using about half teaspoon of salt, but all of the other ingredients, I'm just eyeballing it. I've chopped up the mint, and I do apologize. I thought I had the camera on when I was chopping it up, but I didn't. So I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to go ahead now and add in the blueberries, and then the mint, the sweet mint on top, and then the dressing, and get all of that combined. You have to give the dressing a good stir because of the thickness of that honey. It kind of settles at the bottom. So just give it a good stir and then pour it on top of the salad. Take a few of the remaining sweet mint leaves and add to the salad as a garnish, and voila, you have a watermelon, blueberry, and sweet mint salad. This salad is so good, you guys. Adding that sweet mint to it just took it up to another level. Let me know down in the comments if you think you might give the salad a try. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. It's delicious. All right, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you did, please give me a like. I would greatly appreciate it, and it would help my channel so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care, and I'll see you later.